나는 루앙프라방의 모습을 한눈에 담을 수 있는 푸시산으로 향했다. 신성한 언덕이라는 뜻의 푸시산은 약 100m 높이의 동산으로 정상에 가려면 300개가 넘는 계단을 올라가야 한다. 이곳에는 다양한 크기의 수많은 불상이 모셔져 있다. 지그재그형 계단을 올라 정상에 이르니 루앙프라방의 전경이 한눈에 들어온다. 비록 안개가 시야를 가렸지만 도시를 둘러싸고 있는 울창한 산과 메콩강의 위엄이 느껴졌다.
It was how do you say, straight?
Quite steep.
Very
quite
steep,
but
but
fun.
nice, fun.
Yeah.
I think we were first attracted by the idea of arriving in the city through the Mekong. This we liked a lot. And then the fact that it was a city where you could walk and with lots of historical memories was important for us.
Yes. And we just arrived today, this afternoon, but already it seems very beautiful and charming, and we like the size of the streets and the old buildings and the trees, and it's already charming.
특히 푸시산 전망대의 일출과 일몰이 아름답다고 한다. 막지 않은 날씨가 아쉽지만 나는 이곳의 풍경을 마음에 담아두기로 했다.
Very beautiful. It's very beautiful, yes, and you can see all the mist everywhere. It's but also coming up, just for big Buddhas, seeing the Buddhas coming up. I've had just been talking to my girlfriend and having a bit of an argument with my girlfriend, and it was really nice to come up and see the Buddha with the peaceful, the hands, very peaceful.